In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search and apply for Aldi jobs in Australia for 2026. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer or mobile device. Using Chrome can help ensure the website loads smoothly and that all buttons and forms work as expected. Once Chrome is open, go to careers.aldi.com.au. This is Aldi Australia's official careers website, and it's the best place to find current job opportunities directly from the employer. When the page loads, take a moment to look around the site so you know where everything is. You'll want to find the Search Jobs button and click on it. This will take you to the section where Aldi lists its current 2026 openings across Australia. This is the main area where you can browse available roles, and it's useful because it brings all active opportunities together in one place. After you enter the job search section, the next step is to narrow the results by region. Look for the option to select your specific area, such as New South Wales, Queensland, or Victoria. Choosing your region is important because it helps filter the listings to show local store positions or distribution center opportunities that are more relevant to where you live or where you want to work. This can save you time and make the search process much easier, especially if there are many openings listed nationwide. Once you've selected your region, review the available jobs that appear. Take your time reading the job titles so you can find the role that best matches your interests and location preferences. When you see a job opening that you want to learn more about, click on it to open the full listing. This is where you can usually view more details about the role before moving forward. If it looks like the right fit, go ahead and press Apply Now. This will begin the application process for that specific job. Make sure you're applying to the exact position and location you want before continuing, since many companies post similar roles in different areas. That's all there is to it. Open Chrome, visit careersaldi.com.au, click Search Jobs, choose your region, select the job you want, and press Apply Now. Follow these steps carefully, and you'll be on your way to exploring Aldi's 2026 opportunities in Australia quickly and confidently.